Hello friends, welcome to Esperance Adda. Now we are learn in biology. Then the topic is what is living. The word living cannot be defined. Living organisms mostly use solar energy. There are certain characters by which living can be distinguished by the non-living. From non-living. I repeated, the word living cannot be defined. Living organism mostly uses solar energy. There are certain characters by which living can be distinguished from non-living growth. Increase in the number of cell or mass is called growth. Reproduction. Living organisms produce young ones of their same kind. Third, metabolism. Chemical reaction occurring inside a living cell. Four, response of stimuli. Living have the ability to sense the condition of their surroundings and respond to their stimuli. When we touch leaves of touch me not plant, they close. These movements are called seismo, seismonastic movement. Life on Earth is originated by chemosynthetics was proved in laboratory by the scientist Miller JBS Halden Halden है JBS Halden suggested that life must have the developed from simple organic molecules. आगे हम लोग देखेंगे classification of organism का classification. There are million of organism. It is impossible to study such individuals separately. Classification means to categorize organism into different groups. इसमें हम different group में मतलब बांटते हैं. Study of an individual of our group give us the idea of rest of the member of that group. Linnaeus divided all organisms into two kingdoms, planetary or animalia, in his book Systema Nature. The foundation of modern classification system was laid in the line of classification system started by Linnaeus. 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 Linnaeus ही है. Therefore, Linnaeus is called father of taxonomy due to dispute position of organisms like bacteria, virus, fungi, and algae. There is a need of reconsideration of system of classification. The book Genera Planetarium was written by the Bentham and Hookers. 5 kingdoms. अब आगे हम लोग देख रहे हैं 5 kingdoms. तो सबसे पहले 5 kingdom classification was proposed in 1969 by R.H. Whitaker. The criteria of the classifying organism into 5 kingdoms are complexity of cell structure, complexity of body of organism, mode of nutrition, lifestyle, and phylogenetic relationship. तो हम अब 5 क्लासिफिकेशन कौन कौन है तो वो देखते हैं. मोनेरा, प्रोस्टिटा, फंगी, प्लांटी, एनिमेलिया. तो सबसे पहले मोनेरा को पढ़ते हैं. इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल प्रोकैरियोटिक organisms like bacteria, cyanobacteria, and archaeobacteria. Filamentous bacteria also come under these kingdoms. All organisms of this kingdom are microscopic. Procista. This kingdom include unicellular from like amoeba, usually found in aquatic habitats. On the basis of mode of nutrition, they are autotrophic, parasitic, and saprophytic. Diatoms, flagellates, and protozoa come under this kingdom. Euglena have both heterotrophic and autotrophic mode of nutrition, so it is placed between plant and animals. Fungi. Now third, fungi. This kingdom include non-green plants. It has saprophytic nutrition, grow on dead and decaying organic matters. The cell wall is composed by thin example mushroom, macro, albugo, etc. Plantia. Plantae. This kingdom includes all plants except algae, diatoms, fungi, and member of Monera and Protista. Animalia. Animalia. Almost all animal commanders. This kingdom except Protozoan. Now, by nomenclature. बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर को पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. तो क्या होता है बाइनोमेनक्लेचर? There are the there was the need of uniform international naming of organism in biology. Every organism is represented by two proper names. The first name is genus, always started with a capital letter, and the second name is species, started with the small letters. For example, scientific name of human is Homo spens. Homo is the name of genus, which one species is spines. Panchanan Maheswari popularized the use of embryological character in taxonomy. The botanist Joseph Dalton Hooker's is credited with creating one of the first widely used natural system of plant classification. Basic unit of classification is species. Highest unit of classification is kingdom. Carlos Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. Scientific name of some organism: man, Homo sapiens; frog, Rana tigrina; cat, Felis domestica; dog, Canis familiaris; mango, Mangifera indica; rice, Oregia sativa; grams, Cicer arietinum; cow, Bos indicus; mustard, Brassica campestris; housefly, Musca domestica; wheat, Triticum aestivum; P. visum sativum. Now let's learn the study of cell, cytology. The study of cell is called cytology. The cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life. The word cell was first coined by the British scientist Robert Hooke in the year 1665. The smallest cell is mycoplasma gallisepticum. The longest cell in the human body is neuron. The biggest cell is egg of ostrich. Selden and Sachwan established cell theory in the year 1938 to 1838 to 1839. Germ plasm theory was proposed by August Weismann. Main feature of the cell theory or organisms are composed of cell. Biology of every organism is made of cell. Each cell arises from pre-existing cell. Every organism starts its life from the single cell. I repeated main features of the cell theory. All organisms are composed of cell. Body of every organism is made of cell. Each cell arises from pre-existing cell. Every organism starts its life from single cell. Cells are of two kinds. Prokaryotic cell, these are the primitive cell having three basic structure of typical cell but lack nuclear membrane. Nuclear material is present in the region of cytoplasm called nucleoid. Other membrane bounded organelles are absent such as mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi body, etc. Example: Virus, bacteria, and cyanobacteria are prokaryotes. Number of the mitochondria in bacterial cell is zero. The smallest known prokaryotic organism is mycoplasma. In photosynthesis, prokaryotic bacteria chlorophyll is associated with the membranous vesicles. Eukaryotic cell. These are completely cell which contain membrane bounded organelles and nuclei. Unicellular and multicellular plant and animals have eukaryotic cell. The biggest single cell called organism in Aceta, sorry, Acetabullaria. Nuclear contains chromatin made up of DNA and histone protein. Nucleolus is present inside the nucleus. आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे डिफरेंसेज बिटवीन प्रोकार्योटिक एंड यूकेरियोटिक। प्रोकार्योटिक एंड यूकेरियोटिक के बीच में डिफरेंसेज है, तो इसमें प्रोकार्योटिक प्रोकैरियोटाइट्स एंड यूकेरियोटाइट्स, तो ये हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे, नेक्स्ट सेशन में पढ़ेंगे।